Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Quebec Singh and I gonna say apologize to all of you guys who are waiting for my videos. I know I have not posted a lot of videos in the recent week. The reason is that because I have been engaged in multiple projects and that projects are about to complete and I am getting more time, so I gonna make more videos in the upcoming week and you're gonna get more videos. So please stay on these videos and please subscribe this channel and let's begin the video. So this incredible news just came from the immigration department, and I know many people are dreaming about coming to Canada, but the complex process of immigration to Canada is very difficult and you have to go through certain process which you need to submit a lot of document and you need to get a score in express entry or you need to get a job offer letter to apply for work permit. So all these complexity has been going to down and you will get a lot of chances and a lot of opportunities to just come here, settle here and work here. So basically Canadian immigration is framing three categories which are going to come very soon. So I'm going to talk about one by one. Before going further into the video, I just want to say and request, please hit the like button to this video and as well as subscribe it and share it. So before going deep into these three categories which are going to come in future in the coming months, I'm going to say why Canadian immigration is framing three categories. The basic reason is that because many other European countries and other North American countries are framing the immigration program which are attracting more talent to their country, and Canada don't want to be stay behind those countries. And in many European countries, even you do not need a job offer letter. They have a basic requirement. If you are following into that, then you can get a normal visa to immigrate to those European countries. But in Canada, it's very difficult. So that's why they want to attract more talent to their country and they want to be ahead of the game. That's why they are framing these three important visas which gonna come in future and gonna help you, all the aspiring immigrants who wants to come here in Canada and settle here. So let's talk about the first immigration program which Canada is framing. So the first program which Canadian immigration is framing right now is for the tech people, which means the people who are in the field of engineering, technology, for example, IT industry, mathematics, science. So all these tech industries gonna cover in this stream, and in this stream you do not need any job offer letter from Canadian employer. But there would be a basic requirement which you have to fill, which we do not know right now, but it has been clearly stated that you do not need any job offer letter if you're going to fall under those categories which they are framing in the technical application visa process. It's very exciting for the tech industry people. Just fasten your seat belt. It's gonna come at any moment. I'm gonna say in next 30 to 60 days it's gonna hit the road and you have to just apply for it. So the basic requirement which I am assuming is gonna be you have to be working in any tech industries. For example, if somebody is in the field of computer science, which comes under natural science engineering. So if you are working in that field for certain year of periods and you have certain experience, then you do not need a job offer letter and you do not need to show a lot of funds. What you have to do, you have to apply under this category and you can immigrate to Canada and then you can apply for jobs after coming in Canada. So this is going to be very exciting. This category I was like waiting for from a long time, like why Canada is not putting something into the table which gonna help the people who are in tech industries. So in this, if I will talk and if I will summarize this program, I don't know what name they're gonna say, but it would be a tech visa where they're gonna include certain categories of technology. If you fall under those categories, then you can get this visa without any hustling and bustling. You can just apply for it without any job offer letter and you can immigrate to Canada directly. The next visa is, I would say, the most exciting news which I have ever heard in Canadian immigration so far. This is for digital nomads. I know these kind of visas are already prevailing in the European countries. Canada is not forming these kind of categories earlier, but they know they want to ahead of the game, so they want to attract more skill. And if Canada want to grow their economy and they have to bring more people here, and they want people to spend here. That's how the economy gonna grow. So what they are doing in digital nomad category, which is the second point here in this video, is that they gonna allow people who are working online, which means if you are not going to the office and if you're working for any foreign employers, then you can come here on 6-month visa without any complicity, and you can stay here and you can keep working for your employer. And in the meantime of 6 months, if you can find any employer in Canada, then imagine what can happen. You will get the work permit and you can stay here as long as your work permit says, and allow at the same time you can work for your previous employer if the time matches and both the employers agree, or I don't know. For example, if I'm working 4 hours for my employer in Asian country and the time just twist, because here it's day and then there it's night, so I can work on both the companies. And this is not a great news for the people who are working for the employer online, which is called digital nomads, but also for the YouTubers and social media influencer who are working online. I mean, they just work anywhere. They can come here, they can keep making their videos on YouTube or on Instagram, and at the same time they can live here for 6 months. And again, in meantime of 6 months, if you can find any employer, then you can apply for work permit and you can stay here, and that's gonna lead to a path of permanent residency. That's the end goal. Let's move to the third point of this video. I have never imagined this third type, honestly. I have been in Canada for a long time, but I was thinking, okay, we have a US border, a very long boundary with USA, and we have certain treaties and we are very friendly, both the countries. But this is a huge news which came out recently, is that any H1B who wants to come in Canada, basically in tech industry, and again, the reason is same. Canada wants to attract more talent to their country so that more people are available and they can grow as a technical hub here in North America. So what they are doing in the third category is that if you are on H1B visa in USA and you have been laid off because recession is going on in USA, and many company and big tech companies are laying off their employees. So if you're gonna fall under categories which Canada immigration is framing, you can apply directly work permit of Canada if you are on H1B, and this is going to be start from 16th of July 2023. So this is huge news. So overall, I would say these three exciting visas are coming, and if you want to stay tuned what's gonna happen and what are the eligibilities criteria for three exciting visas which are coming very soon, then please subscribe this channel and do not forget to hit the like button. I'm gonna keep coming with exciting videos of immigration. For the time being, I'm gonna say be in shape, be in good health, and see you in next video. Bye guys.